Today's lesson is UI color picker controller. To how can open our default color picker controller to select multiple colors to choose one. So I have already added button event to click to open our color picker. So I have already set it in center in view. So first of all run our project. This click event added to click to open our color picker. So first of all create the color picker view controller UI color picker view controller. So present color picker view controller present in view and not completion handler required animated true. To run our project, this is a click to open our color picker controller. This is a different variation. Use color, the grid, spectrum and slider. So we are adding to selected this color to update this our view color. So use the delegate method UI color picker view controller delegate, and inside the available two methods in delegate. So here use this color picker view controller did select color. Anytime selected every color call this function. So we have used color picker, and this is second one. We are used to color picker view controller did select color. Anytime we are selected any color, to by default call this function, but before using this delegated self, not delegated self apply, so not call this function. We are required to use every delegate method you call to require this delegate function. Delegate self is required view control. So view dot background color dot, this is a view controller dot selected color. So run this and click this to open. Change every time we are change this color. Any color select, we are call this function and direct to selected color. So this is the UI color picker view controller. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell, you will get notification my latest video. Thank you.